My favorite find in Salem. I shall be salivating over you later. How's how it taste?
I haven't tried it yet. This is messy. I'm trying to like pull my sleeves up. Oh yeah, caramelized. Oh, this apple's so salty it just melts.
Not good? I think you're supposed to eat the apple on the hamburger.
Wow. All right.
First bite that we're remembering to take a video of. Yay! How is it? You're like, well, it's food.
It's not bad. I'm just trying to figure out because you got the caramelized apples and onions with maple mayo. So
Just trying to figure out those flavors together.
yes, it's good though. You know.
Okie dokie.
Actually, here is the website. And the food was actually pretty good. So, as you can see from the menu, they have a lot of yummy looking items. What I picked was the burger, the Vermonster, sauteed onions, red onion, bacon, and maple mayo, and cheddar. Cheese, so I didn't get any cheese on it. But in hindsight, what I thought would taste it wouldn't remind me of was I feel good. I think kind of. But it was really good. And if we are ever around any place that has like a Boston burger company, we will 100% eat there again. Like you see from the menu, they have so much to choose from. Now, what April got is no longer on the menu. It was around St. Patty's Day, and she got some kind of like Reuben egg rolls. Um, but overall, a lot to choose from, and I see things on the menu today that I didn't see when we were there. So, highly recommend it.